Baba 50 years, 50 plus gan ló ń gbé ká o.
Baba 50 plus. Ibo lọ́dọ̀ yín?
Ibi báyìí lọ́dọ̀ wa. Dámilọ́lá jáde o. Àwọn tí bàbá ẹni kó wá gbé ẹ ti dé o. Jáde bọ́ta. Ojú ẹ̀dá.
She's the one.
Ó ní o. Àwọn tó ń gbé bàbá 50 plus káàkiri.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n tí.
Hey!
Kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe? Kí lẹ fẹ́ ṣe fún
mi? Ó ṣe máa ṣe nìyẹn kò mọ̀ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́.
Are you alright?
Ẹ jọ ṣe òkè tẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́yìn lọ́pọ̀ ṣíkì.
Akọ́kọ́ gbọ́dọ̀ ti yẹ gan lọ́wọ́ wa.
Ẹ jọ tí wọ́n lọ ṣe yẹn máa nà mí ni.
If I slap you,
bàbá 50 years yẹn kọ́ tí mo gé la àwọn.
Kí ló ń gé la? Ẹ jọ ẹ bá mi mú lọ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ filẹ̀.
Ta ló fẹ́ mú lọ?
Ẹ bá mi mú lọ tó bá ti ẹ lọ bí ọdún kan lọ́dọ̀ yìí.
Ẹni sùúrù.
Ojú ẹ ló máa kọ́. Ó máa ká lójú ẹ. Ó máa ká lójú ẹ. Ṣé mi lọ bá sọ̀rọ̀? Ọmọ tí ò lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ kọ́kọ́ gbá.
Are you alright? Ẹni sùúrù.
Mo kọ́kọ́ kò sí nǹkan tí mi ò ṣe fún.
Ẹni sùúrù. Wait. Ẹni sùúrù mà. Ẹni sùúrù.
Bàbá yẹn ti ṣoògùn fún. Bó ṣe rí lára mi o.
Ẹni sùúrù.
Ó lè lè mọ bó ṣe rí lára mi ọmọ.
I'm 90 years old.
Ọmọ ìfẹ́ fojú mi jẹ.
Ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ṣe 50 years 55 years ní 65 years.
Ẹni sùúrù náà. Ẹ dúró náà. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ilẹ̀ pè wá ẹ dúró. A máa mú lọ ẹni sùúrù. Wait, are you alright?
Kí ló dé?
Are you alright?
Kí ló fẹ́ ṣe?
Who is this person to you?
She's my mother.
She's your mother.
You can even talk to your mother like that.
I can talk to her.
Wọ́n ní ẹ bá mi mú lọ sí àkọ́ngbá. Gbogbo èèyàn ló ti bẹ̀ sí
ìkọ̀tẹ́. Wá ẹ jẹ́ ká béèrè nǹkan tá a fẹ́ béèrè. Ìgbà wo lẹ́yìn find out pé when do you notice that?
Àti fẹ́ràn àti pẹ́.
Ẹ wo ọpẹ́ tó ti tẹ̀lé máa yí káàkiri o.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni
50 plus.
Ìkọ́ tí mo bá achieve lára ẹ̀ mo lè achieve ẹ̀ lára yín.
Kọ́ wá sí fúlàní ẹlẹ́mọ̀jẹ̀ kan fi ẹ́ ṣògùn owó.
Ṣé wọ́n lè fi ṣògùn owó? Wọ́n lè fi ṣògùn owó yóò ṣògùn.
Ẹni sùúrù màmá ẹni sùúrù náà because I don't understand what this girl is doing.
What I'm doing?
I don't get what this girl is doing. Ẹni sùúrù. Wait. Who is this person to you?
She's my mother.
She's your mother. And you are very rude like this. You are even talking to us as if.
Why are you running to? Come closer. Hey, hold that girl, no let her go anywhere.
No.
Eh?
If I want you,
you know me.
I don't know.
Why they beat? I dey see the way I dey inside motor dey look you since.
You don't get. If you see wetin this girl dey do.
How this woman beat you?
Move there.
She's my mother.
She's your mother?
Yes.
Eh? Madam, come.
Kí ló kàn yín? Kí ni ti rí bẹ́ẹ̀?
Okay,
Madam, keep quiet. No one hear word, abi. No worry. What really happen is, guys, the way this man talk, now the way me I see the matter, because the man talk say, if she never, I will give you dirty slap for that place. No, sir, I know they hear Yoruba. Guys, I will take this girl. We need to take this girl along. So, guys, let's do this together. See, that your body wey dey shake. When I carry reach bar, I go come down by force. So, let me hold this phone. Let me go and carry my mom.
So you are even doing like Ekoma.
Tell this girl to kneel down. Kneel down. See,
kneel down.
If you allow me to touch you will not like it. Can you imagine this nonsense? Wait, how old are you?
I'm 19 years old.
19 years old, and you are proud of it.
I'm not 19 years old. No, I'm 18 years old.
You are 18 years old.
You're up to 19.
Yes.
And you can date anybody you wish.
You're 65
You are
years
even
old.
talking to your mom.
You are dating 65 years old, man, and you are proud of
Please
it.
don't concern you.
Do you know why we are here?
Why?
Did your dad call you at all? Your dad asked us to take you to barrack for 1 year, and I promise you all this is your nonsense attitude that you are doing here. You are laughing.
See, let me tell you something. My dad is playing.
Your dad is playing. Your dad is playing.
Yes, my dad is playing.
If you get to barrack 5 minutes with you, you will come like.
Say that word again. Your dad is doing what?
My dad is playing.
Your dad is playing.
I said my dad is playing. Hey.
Don't worry. Your body go do what. Don't worry.
Mommy, ṣé ti fọlọ́pàá arrest bàbá yẹn rí?
Bàbá yẹn ó dẹ̀ pẹ́ ẹ̀kọ́ àti fọlọ́pàá wá wálé àmọ́ rí àfọlọ́pàá wá wá báyọ̀ náà ló sọ fún pàfẹ́ wá mú àrí àbálẹ̀ ń jata fọlọ́pàá wá lọ.
Ó sì tún mẹ́kẹ̀ ẹnu òye mẹ́nu náà.
Ẹ máa calm down.
àti tẹ́ bá mú lọ láàrin ọdún kan bóyá ògùn yẹn máa ká lójú ẹ̀ a máa mú ẹ lọ ẹ máa gbé lọ bóyá ó máa lọ ọdún méjì àbọ̀.
Okay, tell me things that you have done with that man. Àwọn nǹkan wo ni wà tí bàbá yẹn ti ṣe.
Mo ti lóyún fún lẹ́mẹ̀ta mo dẹ̀ ti ṣe. Ká ní ẹlẹ́fẹ́ bí.
Ọmọ yìí oyè ò pé rárá ó tún proud láti máa sọ.
Ẹ na ọkọ tí mi ti ṣe ni.
Are you all? I don't get o. Ebi o ṣe oògùn ni bàbá yẹn ń lò fún ọmọ yìí.
Bàbá yẹn máa ń lo ẹjọ́ ṣàánú mi o gbọ́dọ̀ yẹn.
Ó ní olóyún fún bàbá Sisi. Ó dẹ̀ tún ṣẹ́. Ọmọ ọdún mélòó leléyìí? Ọmọ ọdún mélòó lọmọ yìí?
Bàbá yẹn mi jẹ́ o. Ẹ má máa wò mí ràn o.
Mama, madam, come closer. He says stop.
Hear wetin this girl talk.
Don't do abortion.
Say she don abort 3-time pregnancy for that
So
man.
guys, let's do this together, guys. This madam come. I think this best solution is to take him along. I think you understand. See, let me surprise you. Your father have make arrangement of staying with some people. I will not tell you. So let me brief you. You're doing gra and be watching you since. I think you understand. Maybe Dimo they live inside you, I don't understand you. But what I want just make you know, madam, the place I'm taking you to, you understand, at least when you spend like 6 months for there, because your daddy have already make arrangement. My own to just do my job, take you there. Maybe from there you will learn. I think you understand my point. So it's better, all those things you can do with them, but me, if you do it with me, forget the camera day, I go change them for
this
you.
This girl,
wait, calm down. You understand what I tell you? Enter, carry this girl, enter this motor. Madam, go enter that side, let's go.
You don't want to move, Abi?
Move. Madam, come, abeg. Enter this motor. Auntie, enter motor, let's go. When you reach there now, you go get sense. Madam, enter motor.
You don't want to move, Abi? Move!
Carry this girl. Hey, hold this hand for me.
Move.
Mama wọlé ẹ̀yẹn wọlé.
Má bẹ̀ mí, ẹ má bẹ̀ mí.
Can you imagine?
Má bẹ̀ mí.
You dey do song get Abi? You fit beat everybody.
Má bẹ̀ mí o.
Ẹjọ́ máa
Tó bá lọ sọ́dọ̀ wọn, tó bá lọ bí ọdún kan bó ti mẹ́fà wà.
ẹjọ́ máa ń kọ́ mú mi lọ.
Ìrìn àrè tó mọ́ rìn tó máa sá fún ọgbọ́n. Àṣebí mo máa bẹ sátó gbọ́.
Your daddy have paid. See, either you are begging or not. Your daddy have paid for 1 year. Your daddy have paid for 1 year.
3 abortions.
Ẹ má jọba yé mi jẹ́ ṣàánú.
Age of 19. Shebi you are even doing
No, do you know what? Do you know what? That man will bring that man to you in that barrack. Amamuaba in the barrack.
Hello. You see, it's instead that they do their, this way that they follow you talk. You see me, hey, look here. You see me for there?
No.
Now, where that man, wait me, I want the information where me I want get from you. Where that man they live?
Where is he living? Are you deaf?
Wait, calm down. Where in they live?
I don't know.
No.
You don't have a
So guys, let's do this together, guys. So either maybe if you reach there.
Please, I'm begging.
In which hotel? You know the hotel?
It's the Crown.
Can you call the man now? You don't have phone now.
I don't have phone that.
You know the number man offered.
I don't know the number.
So how na take the
I call to the caller.
Ẹjọ́, má pe number tó bá ti wá, so máa fún mi ní.
I know they hear Yoruba. In our village thing they do.
Okay. If that man have came, he will not give me his number to call him, and I will call him.
You know, you sure say the man never use you like this?
No.
man don't use.